Welcome to Latest Laws. Summarizing the principle with respect to Section-313 CrPC, the Supreme Court has described it as a mandatory duty on part of the trial court to question the accused generally on the case of the purpose of enabling him to personally explain any circumstances appearing in evidence against him. The court held that the accused can make a statement without fear of being cross-examined by the prosecution or the latter having any right to cross-examine him, and that the explanation that an accused may furnish cannot be considered in isolation but have to be considered in conjunction with the evidence abducted by the prosecution, and therefore no conviction can be premised solely on the basis of Section 313 statements. The statements of the accused in course of the examination do not constitute evidence under Section 3 of the Evidence Act, since they are not given on oath, yet the answers given are relevant for finding the truth and examining the veracity of the prosecution's case. The top court ruled, questioning that any failure to consider the accuser's explanation of incriminating state circumstances in a given case may vitiate the trial or endanger the conviction. In another news, the Supreme Court has dedicated a web page containing details of arguments, written submissions, and the judgment in the historic Kesavananda Bharati case, which laid down the path-breaking concept of the basic structure of the Constitution. April 24th marked the 50th anniversary of the Kesavananda Bharati verdict. The lawyers hailed the move, saying it will help law researchers, students, and advocates immensely.